Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and this right here is the newest Mac Mini that Apple sells. No, it's not. I just saw the ports. This is actually the 2012 model. This right here, this is the 2023 model with an M2 processor, and yeah, visually, not a lot's changed in the last 11 years. So why do I have this guy? Why am I using Apple's M2 Mac Mini when I have a MacBook Pro that I'm perfectly happy with and have no intention of upgrading anytime soon? Well, it's all about use cases and, honestly, YouTube content. Number one, I do have a use case for this. I need to use this computer for network file storage. I'm using a crappy Western Digital NAS right now, and it's not reliable enough, it doesn't do enough, and it's just super slow, even when everything's working great. Whereas I'm going to get incredible performance out of this, and I get all the things that a Mac gives me. So I'm going to make a whole other video about how I use this as a network-attached storage, as well as other things you can do with a Mac that are just always plugged in and always able to do things on your network. That's one thing. Number two, it's $600 to get into Apple Silicon. That's just interesting to me. Like, this is a really low price point for a computer that has this much power, and I want to see what it's like to use. And yeah, I just wanted to try it out. So that's why I've got it. Hopefully I just showed you the unboxing, which is very minimal. You don't get a lot in the box here. It's basically the computer, a silver Apple sticker, a couple documents that basically say go online to find the information, and a power cable. So that's it. I'm going to do more content about this computer because I think it is really interesting, and I think that the way I'm using it as a network-attached storage will be interesting to more people. But yeah, stay tuned to check those out. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.